are live here at the historic family home at Porch Reed in Waverly, Tennessee. Everybody wave to the camera. Yay! Porch Reed forever! And so we all here, we're a very musical family. And now I understand that there's one song that I do that I love to do called Stormy Weather. And it's not a sad song per se.
No,
it's a favorite.
It's wonderful.
Yes, and so many people sing this song, and I just found out that it is one of Grandma Pearlie's favorite songs.
Yes, it is.
Yes, so we will be singing Stormy Weather today, and it is not out of sadness, it's about out of joy because she loves the song. And plus she's wearing my favorite color today, pink. Yeah? Yeah, she's like, yes. Don't know why there's no sun up in the sky. Stormy weather. Since my man and I ain't together, keeps raining all the time, It keeps raining all the time. Life is bad, joy and happiness everywhere. Stormy weather, just can't get myself together. I keep raining all the time,
Makes me want to sing.
And since he went away, the joy walked in and met me. If he stays away, oh, rockin' chair will never get me. All we do is pray the Lord above will let we walk in the sun once more. Can we go on?
Yes, we can.
Everything we have is strong. And stormy weather. Now that we are all here together, it keeps shining all the time.